Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to use CoCalc's built-in library for popular open access texts like Whirlwind Tour of Python. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. And here are the projects that I've either created or that I'm listed as a collaborator on. Projects are virtual workspaces. You can create multiple projects with different sets of collaborators to determine who has access to what files and what computational resources. I'll click on My Project, and this is my shared file system. If you have a collaborator that you'd like to work with, you can head to your user panel and add their email address. They'll be listed here, and you'll have access to the shared workspace together. And at this point, you can see some folders that I've created. In fact, here's a folder called Library, and it's empty right now. And if I'd like to go ahead and get a copy of an open access text like Whirlwind Tour of Python, I can head to CoCalc's built-in library in the upper right-hand corner, click on this library button, and then you can browse the materials here. And underneath the computer science section, there's a Whirlwind Tour of Python. You can see here's the text by O'Reilly. Go ahead and click Get a Free Copy. And now inside of my library folder, there's an additional folder called Whirlwind Tour of Python. And this contains some Jupyter notebooks to get started with, as well as a README file, some additional tools, etc. But maybe to get us started, I'll click on Introduction. So here's that first notebook to get started with. And then maybe to look at something a bit more interesting, we'll go ahead and go to, preview of data science tools. And you can see here some nice graphs, etc. Here's a sine function. Great. So this is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. There's plenty of supplemental materials to be able to access to get started, but please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.